Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about network requests. This is basically how we communicate with APIs. All right. So an API is an application programming interface. It's basically software running on a server, and we communicate with APIs using uh, network requests. I'm currently in the function builder of the in-house cloud platform. In our tutorial demo function, this function is connected to an API, and we're going to test this function by pinging our API. All right. I have a Star Wars API up here. Um, this is just a random Star Wars API I found, and we are going to try to get this data on from this server using network request from within our function builder. All right. To make a network request, all you need to do is add the network request function step. It's going to look for that. It's right here, network request. Give the response a variable name. I'm just going to call this API response. All right, so here you can see that we have all the API methods. So you can make it get request, post request, put requests, attach, and delete requests. Pretty much the standard requests. All right. In here, you get to put the URL. We're currently making a request with the get method. I have my URL copied. I'm just going to paste it in here. Oh, that again. Let's copy. All right, that's it. And for this API doesn't have any authentication requirements, so we're just going to leave everything else bare. You can set your headers if you have if you had to authenticate or any of those kind of activities based on the API that you're trying to communicate with. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to return the response. It's going to use a return statement. And I'm just going to return API response. I'm going to save, deploy. So basically, what have we done? We've basically used the network request function. We've entered the URL for our API path. This API doesn't have any authentication requirements, so we're going to leave the headers uh, empty, and we are returning that response. All right. So I'm going to test it with my API. There you have it. So we have 36 records, and you could basically scroll and see for yourself. So basically, communicating with APIs, very simple, very straightforward, um, following all the web standards that you would expect. Now, one more thing, the URL, of course, is a script expression, so you can, uh, you know, have dynamic URL paths. So you could chain a bunch of script expressions if you had to have dynamic paths. And of course, you could use code. So you have all the options available to build a robust dynamic experience. All right, that's it for network requests. It's very simple, one function step, and that's it. See you in the next video.